Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be adding a new square to the Patchwork Blanket Project, our ongoing journey to create a unique handmade blanket one square at a time. Whether you're following along with crochet or knitting, each square is a building block, and once you have enough, we'll stitch them together into a one-of-a-kind piece. Remember, symmetry isn't necessary, but consistency is key. That means using the same size hook, needles, and medium weight yarn throughout. Now let's dive in. For the screen stitch pattern, you are going to chain multiples of an even amount. Today's square is all about the screen stitch. You'll be using a size G crochet hook and medium weight yarn to ensure it matches the rest of the blanket or whatever yarn and hook you have already been using. If you're following along with this project, make sure that however many chains you start with, you work that same number of rows to create a balanced square. And don't worry about perfection. Every square has its own personality, and that's what makes the project fun. Row 1, you are going to start off by chaining 3, and in the 4th chain from the hook, you are going to work a single crochet. Next, you're going to work a double crochet in the following stitch. From here on out, we are going to be doing the repeat pattern for the whole entire row, which is going to be single crocheting in the next stitch, followed by a double crochet in the following stitch. Repeat this till the end of the row, and then chain 1 and turn your work. So again, the repeat for row 1 is going to be a single crochet, followed by a double crochet, all the way until the end of the row. Now that we're on row 2, you're going to jump straight into the repeat for row 2. You are going to single crochet in the next stitch, followed by double crocheting in the following stitch. You'll repeat this until the end of the row, and then you will chain 1 and turn your work. So pretty much how the screen stitch pattern ends up working is in the row below where you had single crocheted, on top of it you are double crocheting. On the double crochet, you're single crocheting. So you're going to end up creating this really beautiful texture. And to be honest, it actually ends up working up pretty darn quick. Now, to continue on with this project until you get the desired size that you're after, you are just going to keep on repeating row 2. Row 2 is the key to making this pattern form into its beautiful texture. Once you finish your square, be sure to block it off if needed to keep it nice and even. If you're making multiple squares, try playing with the colors or stitch variations to add even more texture to your final blanket. And as always, don't forget to share your progress in the comments or tag me on social media. I'd love to see how your patchwork blanket is coming along.